Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is a SIM eject tool. Now I don't have one on the hand, so I'm just going to use any other thing that can fit in there. So paper clip could work, a little pin needle like this also will work, but you can always use the SIM eject tool if you have it somewhere near. So there's also the SIM card that I'm gonna insert. So to basically push out the tray, it's located on the bottom. I'm gonna find it, and then in the tray there is a hole, so you wanna push the tool in there, and you'll see that the tray kind of comes out a little bit. So from there you can just take it out all the way, and in the front of the tray you will have space for a SIM card. So go like so. And on the back side you have a space for nano memory, which is the Huawei memory that they sell. Now I don't have one on the hand, so I can't really show, but it basically goes the same way as the SIM card. It's basically the same size and shape, and it would just fit like so in here, the same way a SIM card would. And I'm not exactly sure, but it could also take 2 SIM cards. Previous devices did so, so I would assume this one could do it too. But I'm basing it on the fact that on here, maybe not sure if that's visible, but on the tray itself you have a writing. So here is nano memory, while on the other side there is actually a SIM logo. So I'm not exactly sure if it takes 2 SIM cards on both sides, but you can always test it out. So from there, all you need to do is just slide it back in there. Let's unlock the device, and there's the pin for the SIM card, so you just put it in like so. And I guess I messed it up, so then there's a POOK for something that I don't know. Okay, so disregard that, but as you can see the SIM card is working. I just don't remember the POOK. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.